Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of the best free software options available for PC users. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves exploring new tools, these programs are sure to enhance your workflow without breaking the bank. First up, we have OBS Studio. OBS, short for Open Broadcaster Software, is a powerful tool for live streaming and screen recording. Whether you're a gamer streaming your gameplay, a teacher delivering online lectures, or a YouTuber creating tutorials, OBS Studio offers a wide range of features to cater to your needs. From customizable scenes and sources to advanced audio mixing capabilities, OBS Studio provides the flexibility and control you need to create professional quality content. Next on the list is Shotcut. Shotcut is an open cross-platform video editor that rivals many paid options on the market, with support for a wide range of video formats and codecs, as well as advanced editing features like multi-track timeline editing, video transitions, and filters. Shotcut is a versatile tool for both beginners and experienced video editors alike. Plus, its intuitive interface and extensive documentation make it easy to learn and use. Now, let's talk about GIMP if you're into graphic design or photo editing. This open-source alternative to Photoshop is a must-have. With GIMP, you can retouch photos, create stunning graphics, and unleash your creativity without worrying about expensive subscription fees. For those of you interested in 3D modeling and animation, Blender is the way to go. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation suite that offers everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're creating 3D models, animating characters, or rendering visual effects, Blender's powerful set of tools and robust rendering engine allow you to tackle any project with confidence. Plus, Blender's active community and extensive library of tutorials make it easy to learn and master. And let's not forget about CapCut. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that offers a range of features for creating and editing videos on your PC. Whether you're trimming clips, adding transitions, or applying visual effects, CapCut provides all the tools you need to bring your creative vision to life. Plus, its intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy for beginners to get started. And last but not least, let's talk about Audacity. Audacity is a free, open-source audio editing software that allows you to record, edit, and mix audio with ease. Whether you're recording podcasts, editing music tracks, or cleaning up audio recordings, Audacity provides all the tools you need to achieve professional quality results, from basic editing tasks like cutting and trimming to advanced features like noise reduction and audio effects. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the amazing free software options available for PC users. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, creating animations, or producing audio content, there's something on this list for everyone. Download these programs and unleash your creativity without spending a penny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.